How to maximize your battery lifespan on your Huawei MatePad Air. Okay guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to do this. First, go to settings. Then we're going to want to go to battery right here. Now there's not too many options, but as you can see, so we have all this. We're going to go ahead and click on battery health. And then now we're going to see this. Check your maximum capacity. This is at 100% at about 1 year old. And so you don't want the battery capacity to be lower than say 80%. That's when it's unhealthy, quote unquote. But then at that point, you might need to replace it. Now, there's the options for smart charge and custom charging limit. So let me just go over this. For most people, all you have to do is go ahead and just click on that smart charge. But the reason why they left custom charging limit is because you can actually adjust. And for lithium batteries, leaving it at 1%, 100% and leaving them there for long periods of time can cause wear and tear. And then, so it's better to kind of keep it around 70 to 80%. But since if you're going to be mainly using it for indoors, YouTube, around the house, then I would just recommend keeping it at 80%. So we're going to go ahead and push this. Oh, it's not working. Okay, so 70%. So we're going to put at 80%. Okay, guys, so then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And this will help expand your battery life. Now, the other option, like I said, is if you're going around a lot using it more often, then go ahead and just leave it on smart charge, and it will not allow it to charge to 100% all the time. And this will actually extend your battery health. Okay guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, subscribing, or commenting. See you next time. Bye-bye.